For this assignments tutorial, I chose to do it in my Silks class just so you wouldn't see all of the grades of my students, but it's the exact same thing. So to create an assignment, go over here real quick to assignments. And right away, I don't have anything in this because it's my Silks course. So you can do group and you can create different groups for maybe this is a homework assignment. If you want another group, you could add later where this is the unit tests. You could add that as well. So now when I create the assignment, give it a name. So we'll just do test assignment. And you can add a description. I typically don't. The students kind of know what it is, but points, give it some point totals. And then for assignment group, this is where those groups will come up. So let's just say it was the test assignment assignments. And I'm just going to go off of points. That's how I kind of go by it. So this submission type's interesting right here. We can actually have our students submit things electronically. So if you hit this drop down, you can do no submission, which most of mine are actually hard copies. So it is just handed in to me and then I grade it and it's not online. If you did want to have them submit a PDF though, you could do online and then you could restrict it to file uploads. And then you could even restrict it beyond that. This is sometimes kind of PDFs with the students are pretty savvy with this with their iPads. A lot of times they figure it out. But let's just do an easy one. Let's do no submission. And then pick a due date, do tomorrow. And I'm going to publish this one too, just so you can show up, but you could just hit save and hide it from them. But if I do save and publish now, I want to go to grades. And my two silks are right here, and here's their assignments. So if you grade it by hand and they get a score, let's say they both get 10 out of 10, enter it in there, and you're all done. Now, if you did do a file upload online, this is where you would actually see the file, so you'd be able to click on this, and then if it was uploaded properly by the student, you could open it right here, grade it on your computer, and then put the grade in right away. So those are some kind of features you can play with depending upon how you want to grade things.